Making the next 10, day 6, 2-digit plus 2-digit. Grab something to work with and let's get going. This is a picture of 25 plus 18 on a math rack. You can see the 25 over here, and here is the 18. This picture shows you how 18 can be broken apart. Notice first we have the 5, and then we have a 10, and then last we have the 3. That means that when I have my 25 right here, it's looking for its partner. So 25 plus 5 equals 30. Then we're going to add the 10 plus the 3 equals 43. Now, there is a more efficient way to do that. You can see that if I first give it the 5, then I could just add the 13 at the end. So I would have 30 plus 13 equals 43. So today, we're going to practice becoming more efficient. Break-aparts are fabulous, and they really are great for practicing mental math. So, yesterday when we did this, we had a 5 that we would break apart out of the 6, and then I would have a 1 left over, and I would bring down the 20 because we didn't do anything with it. And that's what we practiced yesterday. Today is very, very close, but it's a little bit more efficient, meaning it's a little bit faster. So I start out the same with the 55 plus 5, and I write 60. But instead of bringing the 20 down and the 1 over, what I do is take the 5 out of the 26 and just say 26 minus 5, and I have a 21, which you can see is what I have right there. So I don't have to keep it separated. By now we've practiced and practiced adding numbers together. So I can say 60 plus 20 is 80, plus 1 is 81. Let's try another one like that. So 48 needs a 2. Now if I have a 19 and I take away a 2, I have a 17 left. Now, if that's kind of confusing for you, you can think of it this way still and say, well, 9 minus the 2 leaves that 7, and there's that 10 that I will bring down. So now 48 plus 2 gives me the next 10, which is 50, and I have the 10 that I didn't use and the leftover 7, so we can just write 17. Now, if you really want to, you can continue to write 10 plus 7. So 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 7 is 67. Again, 65 wants its partner. So 65's partner is always 5. Now, again, 7, if I take away 5 from it, is a 2. And if you want to just bring the 20 right in front of the 2, you can. Or you can just think 27 minus 5 is 22. 65 plus 5 equals 70 plus the 22. So 70 plus 20 equals 90, plus 2 is 92. Now again, if you really like to write 20 plus 2, you still can. It's perfectly great. Writing 22 is just a little bit faster and more efficient. But if your brain still needs practice doing this way, then keep doing that. Go ahead and push pause and try to solve this and then check back. All right, 6's partner is 4, so I'm going to give it the 4. 9 minus that 4 is a 5, and then I need to bring that 20 down with it. So 29's two break-aparts, or two parts, are 4 and 25. 36 plus 4 is 40, plus your 25. Add them together. 40 plus 20 equals 60, plus 5 equals 65. And 47 plus 25, 7's partner is always 3. So I'm going to take 3 away, so one of my parts is 3. The other part would be 22, because 5 minus 3 equals 2, and I still need that 20. 47's next 10 is 50 plus 22. So 50 plus 20 equals 70, plus 2 equals 72. Great job with your break-aparts today. Keep practicing. Break-aparts are honestly one of my absolute favorite strategies.